Hey, we're Brandon and Alyssa. We saved $30,000 so we can travel for a year.
For the first part of our adventure, we've decided to move into our Prius for an epic summer road trip from San Diego to Canada.
We have no itinerary, no idea how far we'll get, and no clue what we're doing.
All we know is we plan to go until one of us decides, here's good.
Good morning, everybody. We are at a rest stop in Edson, Canada. I am making Alyssa some dumplings.
We have changed plans. Brandon needs to go home to San Diego for a doctor. We then found out that Jen and her parents will be in Vegas. Everyone knows we love Vegas, so we're driving to Chicago and we're both going to Vegas. Brandon's flying from Vegas home to San Diego so that we can get our Southwest Companion Pass because they're doing a bonus, which I put on the Instagram for all of you. We have 1,600 miles to get from Edson, Canada to Chicago in 6 days.
There was a sign, and I'm almost certain that this is going to be the coolest thing we've seen on the trip. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the world's largest dragonfly.
We're at Planet Fitness. We're gonna fill up 2 water bottles so we have water for the day and take a shower. We are all showered from Planet Fitness. Brandon has been waiting his entire trip to say this.
Let's go to the mall!
We're going to the Mall of Canada, the largest mall in North America, so
Even
bigger than the Mall of America. There's a water park inside.
Let's see what's up.
Let's go to the mall.
Yo, the West Edmonton Mall is jammed. My sister did this one time.
What? We're still in the mall.
There's a sea lion show at 2 and 4 p.m. So in addition to the sea lion show, there's an aquarium underneath us. Into this fish's mouth, 16 Canadian dollars. You go down and you're underneath the mall in an aquarium underground. They have like passes where you can just spend all day going to like the bowling alley, the water park, the swans.
Wait, there's a bowling alley?
Yeah. There's an escape room in the middle of the mall.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. To the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter.
So in San Diego, there's a hurricane happening right now, or like maybe a hurricane from Hurricane K down in
Mexico, and Brandon felt like he's missing out, so we found this hurricane simulator for 2 loonies. So he's going to get in there, I guess.
I know what they were whining about. That's not so bad.
What a waste of $2.
They can't all be winners.
We love mall food courts. If you didn't know from the cheap food that we love to eat, the mall food court is high on our priorities. Brandon has been dying to try lemon chicken, so we got lemon chicken. It actually looks really good.
This whole 3-item combo with noodles, bean sprouts, and lemon chicken was $7 American.
Is it lemony?
Yeah, it's exactly like orange chicken, just with a little bit more tart. It's a really good flavor.
We obviously put hot sauce on it already.
I just realized that I had dumplings for breakfast. We're having this food for lunch. I'll probably eat ramen for dinner. So yes, what we eat in a day, when we're not in San Diego, it's all Asian. When we're in San Diego, we mix in a taco here and there. There's no good tacos unless you're in California, so Asian all day.
We have now found our way into a Toyota dealership with a train in it. I'm falling in love with the Dollarama.
I feel like I'm 17 again. I'm at Wetzel's Pretzels with a salted pretzel and cheese dip.
This makes me feel Christmassy. Hot cheese dip and ice skating.
If you need a haircut, to ride a roller coaster, buy new underwear,
Eat all the food. We got lost. There's 2 food courts.
what an awesome place.
We spent about 4 hours in there. $14 American. Amazing. I had a great time. 5 hours to our next city, which Brandon's dying to tell you the name of.
Saskatoon, Saskatchewan.
Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. Let's see how she says it.
Starting route to Saskatoon.
Another meal. I don't know which number
4th
this
meal.
is. This is our first sandwich from Tim Hortons. Turkey Bacon Club. And we got 1 chocolate Timbit because we have yet to have a Timbit.
Yo, this is weird.
We're in Canada. I think the people are more friendly. This is an abandoned campground. Drive
Yeah.
a little bit more. What's that thing?
Arrived.
We found this site on freecampsites.net. It said it's an abandoned campground. There's a donation box out front, which we'll check in the morning if we can even donate. And then there's like a weird old toilet way down there, but we're not gonna use that. We'll just go in the woods like the moose. Hopefully there's no bears here. It's like 65, so it's kind of warm. We live here.
We went to the mall. Now we're here.
Yeah, I think it's fine.